Hey, productivity nerds! Please like and subscribe as I dive into this digital rabbit hole. Your future organized self will thank you later. So, Notion AI just dropped their latest update, and everyone's losing their minds. But here's the thing, is this AI assistant actually worth your hard-earned cash? Or is it just another shiny productivity trap? First, let's talk about what Notion AI actually is. It's basically your digital workspace assistant that lives inside Notion. Think of it as that overly helpful coworker who never asks for coffee breaks. The AI can search through your entire workspace, generate content, analyze data, and chat with you about your projects. It's powered by GPT-4 and Claude, so it's got some serious brain power under the hood. But here's where things get interesting. Notion AI isn't just sitting there waiting for commands. It actually understands your page structures and database relationships. So when you ask it to summarize your quarterly reports or brainstorm marketing ideas, it's not just spitting out generic responses. It's using your actual data and context. The features are honestly pretty impressive. You can ask it to write meeting notes, create project timelines, analyze spreadsheet data, or even draft entire documents. It's like having a personal assistant who's read every single page in your workspace and has perfect recall. Maximum efficiency unlocked, right? Now for the brutal reality check. Pricing just got wild. As of May 2025, Notion AI is no longer a separate add-on. Instead, it's baked into higher tiers. The Plus plan runs at $10 per member monthly if you pay annually. And you do get a limited AI trial there. But the full AI experience? That's only included with business plans, which cost $20 per user monthly. Here's what is genuinely wild. Notion recently launched their 3.0 update with AI agents. These things can perform multi-step actions for over 20 minutes straight. Imagine an AI that can actually navigate your entire workspace, update databases, create reports, and manage projects while you're probably scrolling through social media. It's simultaneously impressive and terrifying.
But let's be honest about the downsides. The AI sometimes gives responses that sound confident but are completely wrong. It's like that friend who gives advice with absolute certainty despite having no clue what they're talking about. The verdict? If you're already deep in the Notion ecosystem and regularly work with complex databases and documents, the AI might actually save you hours weekly. For casual users who just need basic note-taking, it's probably overkill.